Hi there, I'm Laddick from lmspulse.com and the eLearning Success Summit. Recently, I asked the LMS Pulse community two questions. First, what is the longest period of time you can keep students engaged with video? Is it an hour? Is it 25 to 30 minutes? Or is it actually more realistic to not expect more than 5 minutes of engagement at a time? And then second, I said, if you had unlimited power and resources to extend that learner focus a little bit longer, what would you do? The dozens and dozens of replies I received from the LMS Pulse community made me realize something. Maybe I've been asking the wrong questions. Rather than focusing on creating interactive videos and making these videos in a way that grabs attention and gets those dopamine hits, maybe we should be focusing on creating an interactive experience. So what are the key elements of an engaging learner experience? Well, the good news is that we have recent scientific research that points to clear answers. In a comprehensive meta-analysis published just last June in the Educational Research Review Journal, researchers found three key elements that should always be present to create a highly engaging classroom. Basically, it's all about the three Ps: process, purpose, and participation. So first, keep your eyes on the process. By now, we should all be aware that interactivity is a requirement for engagement. But why not go further? According to the research, online courses or workshops that not only are interactive, but explicitly stressed a sequence of actions that led to an ultimate goal, kept students active and engaged for longer. Now, second, you want to work towards a purpose, but one that the learners help define. So if you have a clear process, it's going to be much easier to present your purpose, that cause, that mission or higher calling that you're all in the same class to achieve. But while the purpose is essential to foster that intrinsic motivation, not all purposes are equal. You have to pick a cause that actually speaks to your learners' needs, wants, and desires. Now, finally, you need to let them know that they're not alone. You have one final challenge: to create a participative process where completing each step in the class requires collaboration, mutual help, or at least a peer review. And now, I've mentioned the value of both peer review and social learning in the past, but I can't emphasize how important they are and how often we take them for granted. Now, these are just three essential elements that you must keep in mind the next time you want to create an engaging online class or workshop. But thanks to my friends over at KLOUD, I want to help you put these into practice. I'm pleased to announce the launch of New Trends and Technologies in Virtual Classes in 2021, which is a limited hands-on workshop set for next Wednesday, June 23rd, which, thanks to KLOUD, is completely free. All you got to do is type KLOUD in the comments below, and I'll DM you the information about the workshop. Thanks.